So because this is a distinction between intention and harm, intention and outcome, I should say. And so even though one could say your intentions may be good, or maybe their intentions, and that's even questionable, but we can say in best case scenario, their intentions are good, the outcome is that it harms and disproportionately harms Black, Indigenous, and other people of color. And so therefore, we can say this action is racist because the outcome is racist, regardless of the intentions. And this distinction between intention versus outcome is critical if we are going to move towards cultivating an anti-racist conscience, right? We have to look past the words that are written down on laws or bills or even policies by looking at and also examine what are the outcomes of these particular situations, right? And so in this sense, understanding and identifying racism requires an analysis of the outcomes and not merely an analysis of the intentions.